afternoon everyone, my name is Charlotte Brosnan and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. I'm so happy to have you with us. Reminder, we are here every single day at 1 p.m. and we will lead you through some fun and invigorating singing. Now I hope you remember the songs from yesterday. We're going to learn another one today, so let's make sure we're all standing up. Remember, you can do this wherever you are, with your family or on your own. Let's get started. I want you to take one hand and put it on your nose, and I want you to take your other hand and put it on your ear. On the count of 3, we are going to swap our hands over like this. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And give your arms a bit of a shake. Hands up if you manage to hit yourself in the face. Yeah, it always happens. Really tough. Very good. Okay, we're going to do a little tongue twister. So I'm going to tell you it first. It goes like this. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Now you might remember this because I did this a couple of weeks ago, but I thought we'd recap it. I'll do that one more time. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Now that is a really tricky one. Now I don't know if you realise, but I'm saying lots of the same words. They sound exactly the same, but they have different meanings. I wonder if you know what that is called. It's called homophones. So let's have a go at learning this one. So 1, 1 was a racehorse. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Oh my goodness, that is a tricky one. Getting our brains going already. Let's have a go at doing that one more time. So all the way from the beginning to the end. We'll do it nice and slowly. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. How did you do? Do you think we can go a little bit quicker? Let's see. 1, 1 was a racehorse. 2, 2 was 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1 race. 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Well done. Right, let's wake up our bodies. So give your chest a bit of a tap, and your tummies, and down one leg, and down the other leg. Very good. Arm out. Take the other hand and wake up that arm. Lovely. And the other one. Good. And give your forehead a bit of a rub, and your cheeks. And take one finger and massage the top of your lip. And take your other finger and massage the bottom of your lip. And take both fingers and massage both lips. Lovely. And stick out your tongue as far as it will go. And in and out. Very, very nice. Lovely. Hands on your tummies and copy me. Shh, 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 Lovely. Now, I can't remember if I told you, but I have a little kitten. And my little kitten makes sounds like this. Meow. Can you make those sounds for me? Meow. Lovely. And just copy me a few more times. Meow. 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 Lovely. Now, my little kitten likes to go to kitten boxing classes. I know, a little bit odd. But why don't you put on your kitten boxing gloves for me and copy me? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. 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 Meow, 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 Lovely. Now, you probably know, but boxing is a really tiring sport. So afterwards, he likes to go and relax on the side of a wishing well. But he usually gets too relaxed and too sleepy that he falls down the well, and it's crazy. He just falls down the well all the way down. But do not fear, because I have put a trampoline at the bottom, and he falls all the way down, bounces and comes back up to safety, and it sounds and looks like this. Meow. Can you have a go at that? Meow. Lovely. Can you do it one more time? Try and go even lower and even higher. Off we go. Meow. Lovely. Very good. Now, we did this little song yesterday. Let's see if you remember it. It's called Bananas of the World Unite. So, copy me. We'll just join in with me. Bananas of the world unite. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, chop, banana, chop, chop, banana, chop, banana, chop, chop, banana, mash, banana, mash, mash, banana, mash, banana, mash, mash, banana, shake, banana, shake, shake, banana, shake, banana, shake, shake, banana, blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, pour, banana, pour, pour, banana, pour, banana, pour, pour, banana, drink, banana, drink, drink, banana, drink, banana, drink, drink, banana, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, go, bananas, go, go, bananas, bananas of the world unite. Well done. Well, I hope you are feeling warmed up, because I think it's time for us to learn a new song. Now, you probably remembered the song we learnt yesterday called Essequibo River, and that song was a sea shanty. I think you might remember me telling you that. Now, today we're going to learn another sea shanty. This is called In South Australia. So, I'm going to sing it first, so you have a listen. If you know it, you can join in with me. So it goes like this. In South Australia I was born, haul away, heave away, in South Australia round Cape Horn, bound for South Australia. Roll away, you rolling kings, haul away, heave away, haul away, you'll hear me sing, bound for South Australia. Wow, so that is the song. Again, short and sweet. So I'm going to sing a little bit, and I want you to repeat after me. In South Australia I was born, in South Australia I was born, haul away, heave away, haul away, heave away, in South Australia round Cape Horn, in South Australia round Cape Horn, bound for South Australia, bound for South Australia. Very nice. Now, remember yesterday I talked about the jobs that sailors might do on ships. Now, I talked about haul away, heave away. So we're hauling the ropes and we're heaving the ropes. So let's see. Let's have a go at all of that. That's the first part. Let's see how we do. In 3 and 4. In South Australia I was born, haul away, heave away, in South Australia round Cape Horn, bound for South Australia. Lovely. Now it goes. Haul away, you rolling kings. Have a go at that. Haul away, you rolling kings. Haul away, heave away, haul away, heave away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing. Haul away, you'll hear me sing. Bound for South Australia, bound for South Australia. Let's just break that down a little bit. So, haul away, you rolling kings. Haul away, heave away, your turn. Haul away, you rolling kings. Haul away, heave away. Lovely. Then the second bit. Haul away, you'll hear me sing. Bound for South Australia. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, bound for South Australia. Lovely, let's have a go at putting all that second half together. So haul away, you rolling kings, and haul away, you rolling kings, haul away, heave away, haul away, you'll hear me sing, bound for South Australia. Well done, well learned. Now, let's go all the way from the beginning. If you don't remember it, have a listen the first time and then you can join in the next time. So, from the beginning, standing properly. In 1, 2, 3, 4. In South Australia I was born. Haul away, heave away. In South Australia round Cape Horn, bound for South Australia. Haul away, you rolling kings. Haul away, heave away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, bound for South Australia. In South Australia I was born. Haul away, heave away. In South Australia round Cape Horn, bound for South Australia. Haul away, you rolling kings. Haul away, heave away. Haul away, you'll hear me sing, bound for South Australia. Well done, everyone. Now that can also be put in a round. So the first people sing, in South Australia I was born. In South Australia I was born. So have a go if you've got family members who want to have a sing with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been an absolute pleasure and I hope you've enjoyed singing with me. Now, we're not here tomorrow as it's a bank holiday, but please join Tori on Monday where she will be leading you through some other amazing singing at 1 p.m. Keep singing over the weekend and I will see you soon. Bye.